Hey guys, my name is Shanu and I'm a part of OnceHub Support team. In this tutorial, I will show you how to route your chatbot interactions in OnceHub. For your information, routing helps you qualify leads, offer scheduling, or connect to a live person based on the answers or selection. So let's go. Once you log into your OnceHub account, you will see your home screen. From here, you need to click on the chatbot icon on the left panel. Once you click on it, you will see all the chatbots on your account. Now, click on the relevant chatbot you want to edit. Next, click on the interaction you want to route. Once you click on an interaction, you will see routing tab on the right. Now once you click on this, you will get three options: route to the next interaction in the order, always route to, and route to interactions based on rules. You can select the first option if you want to display the next interaction in the order. You can use the second option if you want to route to a specific interaction after the answer. You can use the third option if you want to set certain conditions before routing. Once you select the relevant option, you can click on Save. You can follow these steps to route other interactions as well. Now, once you're satisfied, you can click on the routing map to visualize your chatbot flow and routings. Now you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.